Kausiki. Let us say about the requirement. What you required for uh, uploading videos, and what is the benefit of YouTube. So long I have told you what is the importance of YouTube, but I have not fully told you about them. Actually, YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, you can earn money from YouTube. There are hundreds of people who earn a lot of money from YouTube. So the question is, how is it possible? Let us make you clear why and how YouTube can be a source of earning money. If you have a YouTube channel and you upload videos, and if people watch them, that is called views. If you have 10,000 views in 1 year and 100 subscriber, then your YouTube channel will be eligible for monetization. Monetization means you will be able to earn money from that very point. If Google AdSense or Google sends advertisement through your channel, actually from which source Google or YouTube gives you money, this should be known to you. You know, the digital world, online world, is a great source of publication of advertisement, and to give advertisement, the companies spend a lot of money. A company is usually expected to spend 10% of their income in advertisement. So you see advertisement in the TVs, in any form of media, in the mobile you see advertisement. And advertisement is such a thing that should be given by any company to make people aware about their product. I say that human beings or the creatures or this created world is the advertisement of God himself. এই জগৎটা আমরা মানুষেরা, জীব জগৎই হচ্ছে ভগবানের বিজ্ঞাপন। এটা দিস ইজ মাই ভিউ, দিস ইজ মাই ওপিনিয়ন অ্যাবাউট this very thing. And if you have a company, if you have an institute, how would people know about this? You have established an institute, you have established a company, and there is no doubt there some purpose. You want to give some service, you want to earn some money, and it will be possible when there will be customer. Without customer, without the people whom you will serve, you cannot earn money. Earning requires some type of service or sale of product, and that product may be physical product, product may be digital product. Software is a digital product, but mustard oil, a soap, anything that are bought in the market, physical market or shops, are most of them physical product. But there are many hundreds of digital product. The videos we see or watch or enjoy in YouTube or online or social media are nothing but digital product. You should have knowledge about it. People could not think about digital product a few years before, but even in this lockdown period, you should consider the fact that education has been to some extent a digital product. The English medium schools are performing online classes. That means their school is closed, but their teachers and their students are in or at their household, and they are using internet, and they are taking the instructions, they are taking the informations, they are learning the subject matter through digital media. And you will be surprised to know that this coronavirus is a man-made virus. It has patent name, and some countries, some people who regulate the banking system of the whole world, they have conspired, they have planned to lead this world in this way. Joydeep Maharaj, one of the sannyasi of Ramakrishna Mission, I got a audio clip about 2 months ago, and in that audio clip he has said that the present world is divided not only physically. Actually, now the country are not physical country, they are digital country. Why is it said? Because the whole world is being regulated by some companies, a few companies. Google is one of them, Facebook is one of them. Understand? And these companies are regulating the economy of the whole world. Do you know the richest, one of the richest man of the world or company of the world is Google, Facebook? Because through digital media, through advertisement, through their online working, they are earning so much money that it cannot be imagined by us. And one thing should be clear to you, that lots of money is earned by advertisement, by Facebook, by Google, and some share of that earning is given to the content creator. That means if you upload a video in YouTube, you have been a content creator. I am also a content creator, and if my videos are viewed by 10,000 people up to this present criteria of being monetized, 10,000 views in 1 year and 1,000 subscriber in 1 year. If these two criteria is maintained, and if there is no other objection against the content creator, then my YouTube channel will be eligible for monetization, and then I shall be informed that some advertisement will be given to my channel, and if people see those advertisement, I shall get a share of that advertisement cost paid by the company. And if God wishes, if I can, my channel or anyone's channel, any YouTube owner's channel is monetized, he will earn some money. if his channel continues and if people visit that YouTube channel, if advertisement are shown in that YouTube channel, and this is the benefit of YouTube channel, and you are serving people, and during that service advertisement will be pushed in the social media, that means Facebook, YouTube, etc., and those companies will make people aware of their products. Those people will buy their products, they will get benefit or profit. The company, the advertisement of that company will make them profit, make them help to gain profit, and they will give that profit, some part of that profit, to their big advertisement, and that money will be taken by Facebook, Google, etc., and we, the content creator or YouTube owner, who in whose channel those advertisements will be given, we shall also be given a share of that earning, that money, and this will be the source of our earning money through YouTube channel. And there are YouTube channel owners, if it is monetized, is so profitable. The expert, those who are successful in YouTube channel, they are they are advising me that YouTube channel creation, YouTube channel creator or content creator may be a full-time job. Can you think? Of course, common people cannot believe in this, because good quality content is not easy to produce. Think, I am a person who is familiar with computer from 2001. 20 years. I have spent 20 years. And after spending 20 years, I have gained the confidence that I shall upload videos in YouTube. Of course, I did not think seriously about this thing. I heard from one of my friends in 2012 that people, you can earn from YouTube, from your website, etc. If you search in Google online ways of earning online money, or any other type of searching, you will see that hundreds of ways, and many of those ways are fake. They will attract you with various things that you put some money and we will give you some address that will lead you to various things. I myself have lost some money in this way also. I remember about 15 years ago, I deposited 1,000 rupees, and after that that very company or very website vanished. In this way, this is not the experience of only mine. There are many people who lose money in this way, and after getting experience, they know, but they come to know the real way of earning money through online. And if you create a YouTube channel and if you upload videos on good topics, this is called topics in online is called niche. Let me give you some idea how you should think of opening a YouTube channel. First of all, you have to choose your niche, NICHE, niche. That means on which topic are you interested? Will you be able to create video or give some information on that very topic? And after selecting or deciding these topics, you have to give some content both verbal, both visual. Visual content means picture, videos, etc. From pictures you can also make video. Pictures can be arranged, your narration should be added later, and there are various ways of making videos. There are many video making softwares, and if you have some interest, you may think about it, but you have to learn before you earn. Just note this line: you have to learn before you earn. Write this sentence. Learn before you earn. Learn before you earn. Understand? Our problem is that most of us want to earn money, but we do not want to learn by which we shall be able to earn. না শিখেই আমরা কোনো কিছু করতে চাই, যার ফল হচ্ছে এইটাই হয়। I am a proof of this. I heard from one of my friends who is devoted in computer that you can earn money online. I have heard about it, about YouTube from that very time. But I could not. I learned about it. I did not research. I did not try to be familiar how one should grow in YouTube. What is the importance of YouTube? I did not think about these things. I did not try to learn about these things. I was not serious about them. Of course, this is a hobby to me. Computer is not my profession. Computer is my passion. Computer is my hobby. I am interested in computer, but computer is not the primary way of my earning. So it is quite natural that I may not devote too much time or money in computer. But the tragedy is that I am so much obsessed with computer that I have spent a lot of money. I have spent a lot of time in computer, but I have not been so much financially benefited by it. I don't know what God has kept for me in future, but I am doing now something which will give me satisfaction, because I have tried to upload videos on my profession. I am uploading most of the videos on teaching about English learning, and I am uploading videos on the promotion or of the great ideas of my beloved Thakur Nigomananda Paramahansadev. I have nothing to lose, but if God pleases, if God wants, He must reach me to a situation, and I think I should not think about it just now. I should create content for YouTube so that I may add some value to my fellow persons. অর্থাৎ so you will have to add some value to others' life. then benefit will come automatically. Kaushiki, note this very thing. Add some value to others' life. Add some value to others' life. Add some value means নিচে লিখে রাখতে পারো serve others somehow. Serve others somehow. অন্যের সেবা তুমি যে কোনোভাবে করো, দেখবে সেই সেবাটা তোমার কাছে অনেক গুণ হয়ে ফিরে আসবে। দিস ইজ দ্য ল অফ নেচার। একটা সাদা কাগজ পড়ে আছে, সেই কাগজে তুমি কিছু লিখে, যখনই লিখলে তুমি সেই কাগজটার ভ্যালু বাড়িয়ে দিলে। কিন্তু তুমি কিছু একটা লিখে তুমি যদি বন্ধুদের বলো এটা একটা দারুণ গোপন কথা লিখেছি, দেখবে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তোমার 1000 বন্ধু থাকলেও ছুটে আসবে কি গোপন কথাটা লিখেছে, সবার একটা কিউরিসিটি তৈরি হয়ে যাবে। তার মানে কি হবে কি না বলো, কিচ্ছু না, জাস্ট থ্যাংক ইউ বলে লিখে তুমি বলো বন্ধ করে রাখবে, তারপরে খেলটা দেখবে তুমি কি হয়। সবাই পাগল হয়ে যাবে। অর্থাৎ যখন সাদা কাগজটা পড়ে আছে তখন কিন্তু কেউ কিচ্ছু বলবে না, কিছু নয়। কিন্তু একটা পেনের ছোঁয়াতে দুটো ওয়ার্ড লিখেই তুমি কিন্তু মাত করে দিতে পারো, সবাইকে পাগল করে দিতে পারো, কিন্তু মানে জাস্ট প্র্যাকটিসের গুণে। তাহলে দ্যাট মিনস ইউ হ্যাভ অ্যাড সাম ভ্যালু টু দ্যাট পেপার, হোয়াইট পেপার। ঠিক তেমনিভাবে তুমি তোমার যা সামর্থ্য আছে, যা ক্ষমতা আছে, ভগবান যে ক্ষমতা দিয়ে তোমাকে পাঠিয়েছে, সেই ক্ষমতাটা দিয়ে তোমাকে কিছু ভ্যালু অ্যাড করতে হবে অন্যের জীবনে। তাহলেই দেখবে সেটা তোমাকে উপকার দেবেই দেবে। অফকোর্স ইউ হ্যাভ টু প্রিপেয়ার ইয়োর সেলফ ফর দ্যাট সার্ভিস। আজকে আমি যে লেকচার দিচ্ছি অনলাইনে, এটা সম্ভব হয়েছে কেন না, আই হ্যাভ বিল্ট মাই সেলফ, আই হ্যাভ অ্যাকোয়ার্ড সাম স্কিলস দ্যাট হ্যাভ brought me to this platform. I am a teacher of English. I have learned English. I have devoted almost most part of my life in learning English, in improving English, and this is the result of that effort. My efforts are not fully. It may be thought so, but actually no effort of ours is not fruitless. I have recently known that Thomas A. Edison was once asked that very scientist tried to use other metal other than zinc in battery. You probably know in dry cell or in batteries, two polar axis, one is made of zinc and another may be of some and that very scientist wanted to replace that metal. Instead of zinc, he tried to use some other metal, and he informed that he has experimented more than 20,000 times. That means he has experimented with various types of metals, and the number of experiments was more than 20,000. And the reporter or the person who asked him the question, what is your reaction? Do you think yourself fully failed in these experiments? Then the scientist replied that nothing is fruitless, nothing is despairing in my experiments. Every attempt of work gives some benefits to us and gives some experience, and that experience helps us in many ways. We don't know actually what happens, how those experiences may be helpful to us. Rai, have you heard what I mentioned about that very thing? Have you heard all what I have said you? Rai,
It's sad.
have you got idea about monetization of YouTube? What is the present criteria of getting your channel, YouTube channel monetized? Kausiki, 10,000 views in 1 year and 1,000 subscriber in 1 year. And as my students, I shall tell you, go to my YouTube channel, Narayan Chandra Raut or Joy Guru Educational Channel, and you will visit and you will try to watch that video. That is very important point I have forgot to mention here. You need 4,000 hours watch time. 4,000 times watch time. That means my video is 10 minutes length, and one should watch that very video, and so that may add some watch time in my required watch time. 4,000 hours is a very long time, and it is not at all easy to achieve these 3 criteria. My YouTube channel has not reached 100 watch time. It is possibly 83 hour watch time. So shall I be able to get my YouTube channel monetized? Of course, there are very devoted content creator, YouTube owners, who uses various tricks. Their videos are of high quality, and that is they reach these criteria, and they if their channel is monetized, then they can earn some money from their YouTube channel. This is the fact about YouTube channel. So of course, after the popular use of Android phone, YouTube channel or YouTube videos etc. have been very popular before that, and Android mobile have come to great use for the last 5 or 6 years. Before that, very few people could use Android mobile phone because mobile phones were very costly and they required constant internet connection. This is costly. So, and after the existence of Jio in the market, it is possibly 2016 or 17, the wide use of Android phone has made YouTube and other online activities so popular. Before that, mobile phone was a luxury to people, and however, you should be adapted to the present trend, and as students you should use mobile phone for your good learning. There are negative aspects of YouTube and other online channels. There are various mind-blowing and misleading matter, and which makes the growing boys and girls very much excited. They forget the true aim of their life. They forget about the activities. Actually, they become addicted. You cannot deny the audio visual effect of YouTube videos or other videos. You are growing boys and girls. Even it must be admitted that we, the growing people, we are very much attracted by them. And what is your fault that you have not fully started your life? You are just growing and you have too much curiosity about everything of life. Then it is very usual that you will be addicted to social media or online matters. But you should be wise enough, you should be choosy enough, you should be choosy enough to use Android mobile and the online materials that are available. Suppose you opened your YouTube channel, channel and or only YouTube, and you are watching a very good thing for your learning, for your benefit. But suddenly you saw that there is a very picture or very link that is forbidden to you, but that is very attractive to you because you are curious about it. Then if you click that very link, if you get interested, if you lead your mind, if you cannot resist your mind, then you will be lead to those very bad things that will destroy your life. Your mental stability will be lost. You will forget that studies or being trained is your main concern. So these are the adverse or bad side of online learning or YouTube or any other form of digital media. And considering these, many people think that online education or digital media is harming us, but you cannot deny the change of life. You are not aware of your of the dangers of life. Then how can you improve yourself? You should protect yourself. You should know what is good, what is bad, what is wrong, what is right, and you should follow them in spite of the existence of the evil side of life. God and Satan, those are two contrasting characters. Hero and villain, contrasting characters. Their existence is seen in dramas. In our life also, these opposite things exist. In spite of that, we have to live our life. We have to lead our life thinking and accepting our own welfare. আমাদের নিজেদের মঙ্গলের কথা ভেবে আমাদের কিন্তু সঠিকঠাক নিতে হবে। সেই জন্য ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, you may create a YouTube channel, and first of all you have to create content. I think I have said about many things, but YouTube channel, this subject is so vast that I am not fully aware of it. You are just get some rough ideas, and it is an industry. It is the most popular social media, and it not only gives us entertainment, it also a medium of earning money. But earning money should not be our aim. We should create good content so that our videos may be viral and our videos may achieve those criteria: 10,000 views, 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch time, and these milestones should be reached to get your YouTube channel monetized. However, as students, you should learn whatever may be learned from YouTube. This is my message to you, and you should protect yourself from the harms of YouTube and other online resources of learning. Okay? Now 4:18, and this is the end of our class. Have you anything to say about YouTube? Have you any queries about YouTube? Rai, this is the topic you selected for our discussion in Spoken English practice class. What do you know? What do you want to know about YouTube? Any question?
না স্যার, আপনি যেটা বললেন বুঝতে পেরেছি, এখন আপাতত কোয়েশ্চেন নেই।
হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে। Let us finish our class now. Okay.
ওকে।